If you're wondering whether you can connect a GameSir Nova Lite to an Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S, here's the clear answer. The Nova Lite does not support Xbox Wireless or Microsoft's licensed USB protocol. That means it will not connect directly to Xbox consoles through Bluetooth, and in most cases, even a wired USB-C connection won't work. You can try plugging it into the Xbox with a USB-C cable, but most Xbox systems will not recognize it because it isn't officially licensed for Xbox. The only reliable workaround is using a third-party controller adapter, such as a Brook or Mayflash Xbox-compatible converter. These adapters translate the controller's signal into something the Xbox accepts. You plug the adapter into the Xbox, then connect the Nova Lite to the adapter via USB. If supported, the adapter light will confirm the connection. Even then, compatibility can vary, and some features like vibration or button mapping may require manual adjustment. The GameSir Nova Lite works perfectly with PC, Nintendo Switch, Android, and iOS, just not natively with Xbox consoles.